Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is Heroes Among Us. Children, you have learned in heroism unit about hero, a person who overcomes a lot of problems and achieves his goal is a hero. A true hero is someone who does something heroic for benefits of others. A hero is someone who has done something brave, new, or good. So, he is admired by a lot of people. If you describe someone as your hero, you mean that you admire them a great deal, usually because of a particular quality or skill that they have. For examples, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, क्रांती ज्योति सावित्रीबाई फुले, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and our soldiers. Children, you can also find heroes in your surroundings. Like Tanu became her grandmother's hero, or Dhru's father became Dhru's hero. Children, as I said you before, my hero is my sister. I would like to share an incident with you all. How my sister became my hero. Once, I and my sister were going back to home after our school on bicycle. My sister used to ride the bicycle and I used to sit on back seat. There was one more friend, Archana, who used to come along with us every day when we used to go back to home. Because her home and our home were nearby. One day, Archana's scarf got stuck in the bicycle's wheel, so she was unable to ride her bicycle. My sister found her in trouble, so she asked for help. My sister said to me, "Stand with Archana till the time I call a bicycle mechanic." So I and Archana stood beside the road with her stuck bicycle, and my sister took her bicycle and called a bicycle mechanic. After some time, my sister came back with a bicycle mechanic, and then he repaired the bicycle and removed her stuck scarf. We all three thanked to the bicycle mechanic, and then we all three went back to the home. When we reached home, we were late. My mother was waiting for us and asked why we were late. Then we shared the incident. So, children, my mother appreciated my sister's helping nature. This is how my sister became my hero. Now, children, let us go to the textual page, page number 48. Heroes Among Us. I talk. Now, children, you have to share your answer with your parent. To be a hero, we must be dash. Share your answer with your partner or parent. Let us go to the next. I read. Given below are a few situations from our everyday life. Read and share your opinion. Situation 1. Today is Rima's first day in grade 3. She is excited. She knows all her classmates and even knows her new teacher. Two new students have also joined her class. In the lunch break, she sees that some of her old friends are teasing the new students over their lunchbox. Rima does not like this, but she does not know what to do about it. After some time, she tells her friends to stop being rude, but they do not listen and continue to make fun of the new friends. Rima gets up from bench and stands in front of her old classmates and warns them that if they do not keep quiet, then she would call their class teacher and complain about their teasing behavior. Her friends are upset with her and they tell her that they don't want to talk to her ever again. Children, there was a girl named Rima. Rima was excited because it was her first day in grade 3. She was known all her classmates and her new teacher. Two new students have also joined her class. Children, Rima was very careful about her new friends. But she saw that some of her old friends were teasing the new students over their lunchbox in lunch break. Rima did not like that. Rima felt so bad. But she did not know what to do about it. After some time, she told her old friends to stop being rude. But they did not listen and continued to make fun of the new students. At last, Rima got up from her bench and stood in front of her old classmates or friends and warned them that if they do not stop teasing, then she would call their teacher and complain about their teasing behavior. But children, after that, what happened do you know? Her friends became upset and they said that they don't want to talk her ever again. Now children, think about the situation and answer the questions in your own words. Question number A. What do you think will happen next? Question number B. If you were in Rima's place, what would you do? Question number C. What adjective would you use for Rima? Was it heroic of her to support the new students? Explain in your own words. Now children, let us learn what is meant by adjective. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place, or thing are called adjectives. Words that describe nouns or pronouns are called adjectives. An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. It tells the quality, quantity, number, color, size, or shape of a noun or pronoun. It also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells, or sounds like. For example, beautiful girl. Here, children, beautiful word is describing the girl. So, it is an adjective. Let us see some more examples. Two chocolates. Yellow butterfly. Smart boy. Green parrot, big car, round table, round ball, angry frog, loud music, soft pillow, big hall, etc. Now, children, what adjective would you use for Rima? Write by your own. Was it heroic of her to support the new students? Explain in your own words. Now, children, let us go to the next page, page number 49. Situation 2. Every day, Juhi and her father go to the park near their house. Juhi takes a few biscuits and grains of wheat in a paper bag. She loves to feed the colorful birds that come to the park in the morning. She even fills a tiny bucket with water so that the birds can drink water during the day. There was a girl, Juhi. Every day, Juhi and her father used to go to the park near their house. She loves to feed the colorful birds that come to the park in the morning. So, what? She used to take a few biscuits and grains of wheat in a paper bag. She even used to carry a tiny bucket filled with water so the birds can drink water during the day. Now, children, write the answer of the given question in your own words. What adjective would you use for Juhi? Now, children, write an adjective by your own. Do you think her actions are heroic? And explain in your own words. Now, children, let us go to the next situation 3. Last week, when Harshit was coming home from school, he saw a dog laying in the middle of the road. Some passing car had hit the stray dog and it was not able to walk. Harshit begged his mom and they took the dog to a vet, where the vet put bandage on its scratches and gave it an injection to reduce the pain. There was a boy, Harshit. One day, Harshit was coming home from school. He saw a dog lying in the middle of the road. It was not able to walk because some passing car had hit the stray dog. Harshit felt so bad. He decided to take it to the doctor. He reached home and begged his mother. Children, beg meaning is ask someone humbly for something. He asked humbly for taking the dog to the doctor. He and his mother took the dog to a vet. Vet meaning is a veterinary surgeon or animal doctor. The vet put bandage on its scratches and gave it an injection to reduce the pain. Now, children, explain how Harshit helped the dog in your own words. Here we will stop. Let us meet in the next e-learning class with new topic. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.